Net Rock Climber, an exceptional piece of garden play equipment designed to captivate and entertain children. This vibrant structure features a striking blue frame, a yellow rope net, and eye-catching red balls, making it a visually appealing and engaging centerpiece for any outdoor play area. The Net Rock Climber is crafted from high-quality, durable materials to ensure it can withstand the rigors of active play and various weather conditions. Its robust construction guarantees safety and longevity, providing a reliable and long-lasting play solution for your garden. The secure and sturdy construction ensures that children can play confidently, while parents can have peace of mind knowing their little ones are safe. The Net Rock Climber's design also promotes imaginative play, allowing children to envision themselves scaling mountains, embarking on adventurous quests.